Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking black pepper chicken udon. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we'll start to scramble our eggs first. Turn on the flame. I'm using medium heat at this moment. You can do the same too. Add in a suitable amount of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit, just to coat the wok. I have with me over here 3 eggs beaten. Just pour everything in. We are going to scramble them. Just push it, push it. Right, we just need to fry our eggs first and then we'll set them aside. You can chop up the eggs. Once they are set like this, we'll remove them from the heat. Using the same wok, remove all the eggs, add in a little bit more oil. We're going to fry our chicken right now. I have with me over here 250 grams of boneless chicken thigh. I've cut them into very thin strips like this. Okay, and also taken out the skin. We just put everything in. We'll just do a very light seasoning. Half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. We'll just need to fry them until they are no longer red. Move them around. Make sure you separate them out. Let them have contact with the wok for a while before we flip them over. We just need to fry this until they are no longer red, approximately 80% done. Because later we are just going to add this to our noodles or udon. Alright, something like this will be good. We'll now remove them from the wok. Using the same wok again, maintaining at medium heat, add in a little bit of oil, plus 15 grams of butter. Put it in. Add in 5 cloves of garlic chopped. And 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper. If you do not want it so spicy, reduce the black pepper. Fry them until fragrant. This will be pretty fast. Almost immediately you can smell the beautiful fragrance from the butter, the garlic, as well as the pepper. Very easy to put together. This dish is extremely delicious. Wow. Once you can smell the pungent aroma from the black pepper, we'll add in our water. Add in 330 milliliters of water. And also 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. To balance up the taste, add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. We need to wait for this to come to a boil before we add our udon. Once the water is boiling, add in your udon noodles. I have with me over here 400 grams of udon noodles. Just place them in. Gently just move them around. We need to separate the noodles out. As you can see, the sides are already separating. Right? You can flip it to the other side also. Maintain the heat at medium. Right? Move them around gently. Don't chop up the noodles. Separating your noodles will take just about 1 minute or so, depending on how hot your water is and what flame you are using. Once it's separated, we'll add in our eggs and chicken. Just pour everything in. Add in a bunch of your favorite greens. I'm using chai sim over here. You can use kailan, even broccoli if you want to. Mix them up a little bit. We are almost done. Finally, we'll add in some premium dark soy sauce. These are not very salty. Depending on how dark you want it to be, I'm pouring in approximately 2 tablespoons of it. Mix them up well. Now we'll turn the heat up to medium-high and evaporate the sauce a little bit to make it slightly thicker, or if you want a little bit more sauce, you can serve it right now. It's going to be so good. Now we just stir to mix well, and as you can see, the sauce is thickening up. This is what we want. And now we'll turn off the flame, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow. The black pepper smell or aroma is really, really fantastic. Let's try this now. The burst of pepper flavor in the mouth is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow.